What's up, guys? I'm running a little late right now, but I'm headed up to the school to meet up with some friends. We're gonna go to a wakeboarding park today. Seems like a lot of fun, and hopefully get some good footage. Alright, we're here with Trevor, Jacob, and Jack. What's up? How you doing? How you been? Doing good. Yeah. Yep. Arms straight, knees bent. Yep.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Probably. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy, just like me. My heroes had the heart to lose their lives. I wanna live, and all I remember is thinking I wanna be like them.
Alright, guys, we're here at Cane's, about to get some food. I got my cameraman Trevor holding the tripod steady. If it's shaky, you gotta blame him.
Chae, what sauce?
Guys, we are at Cane's.
Hello.
We'll see you guys in like a couple minutes.
What is up, guys? We're here on the boat. So lame. My brother didn't support my vlogging.
I don't have fun.
There's a spanner in the works, you know. You gotta step up your game to make it to the top, so go. Got a little competition, no. You're gonna find out how to cope with living on your own. Let's make this happen, go. We're gonna show them all that something good can work and it can work for you. And you know that it will. Let's get this started, girl. We're moving up, it's been a lot to change, but you always get what you want. It took a little time to make a little better. It
finished up at the lake. My hair is looking like a mess, but it was a fun day. It's my mom's birthday, so Mom, if you're watching this, happy birthday. I love you. Thank you for all that you do to support me, and I'll always be grateful.